If you are in family court with a coercive controller, you will soon find out that they are relentless. And not because they actually want to protect the kids, it's because they want to completely annihilate you. You are the intended target. If you're new to my page, my name is Tori. I work as a family court strategist. I help victims on a one-on-one basis, whether they have an attorney or not. I have over a decade of experience, and I help victims not only escape the abusive relationship, but as they're enduring post-separation abuse in the family court system. I've worked as a family law paralegal. I'm also certified in coercive control and high conflict divorce and custody. What I do is not only help you identify the pattern of behavior, the abuse that you are experiencing, and putting a name to what you are experiencing and helping you find the proof to prove that in court with your attorney or if you're self-represented, but I help you strategize every single step of the way, whether you're going into mediation, whether you're going into a restraining order hearing or custody. I essentially do all the things that attorneys don't do. A lot of people don't understand what coercive control is, or they think that it just stops as soon as you escape that relationship, and it doesn't. Coercive controllers, aka abusers, want you to be this caged bird, and the more that you try and find freedom, the more they actually tighten their grip. Even though you may have physically escaped them, they will still find ways to completely annihilate you. That could be emotionally annihilating you, financially annihilating you, or lead to unaliving somebody and physically annihilating you. Coercive controllers will weaponize the family court system. They will make false claims in family court. They will get an attorney who is completely unethical and will support the abuse just because they know it's a good paycheck for them. They will constantly threaten court if you don't follow their demands. They will sabotage your relationship with the kids. They will continue with the smear campaign. Many times they add in as many court professionals as possible, such as someone to do a psych evaluation, a guardian ad litem, minors counsel, and so on. And it's not because they're concerned for the child. They want everyone to believe that you are crazy and they want to completely destroy you. And by adding in more professionals, that likely increases all of the fees in court, but also causes more stress and anxiety for the victim. And the difficult thing is a lot of these court professionals do want to label it as high conflict and not what it actually is, which is coercive control and post-separation abuse. And because they don't want to expose the business of family court, they just continue to add more professionals and continue to insert their own personal opinions, dragging out the court case, meaning they all make more money. So I help my clients identify things and create a foundation to their case so that they have not only more leverage in the case, but they can show exactly what is happening. So less people can be manipulated by the coercive controller. But the coercive control doesn't stop as soon as you physically escape them or when you identify this in family court. You need someone on your team who is certified, who truly understands coercive control, and then have all these other professionals who are working with you kind of like tools in your toolbox.